Welcome back to my channel. I'm Trees, and I hope you guys are doing good today. So today's Saturday, and we're out right now, about to get something to eat, and then we have a few errands to run. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me for that. So we have to go to Walmart, I believe Target. We're going on base to look at some outdoor furniture because I believe they have a sale going on. Hey guys, so I'm in Walmart right now. I think this is the first time I've been in this Walmart. Exact one we have.
Yeah, but you
I don't want it though. Hey guys, so it's later in the day, it's 9 o'clock here, and we're on our way to get dinner. Sorry about the backlighting. But yeah. Guys, so it's the next day. Today is Sunday, and the time right now is 9:16, and I'm about to make breakfast and get ready to go to church today. So yeah, I'm doing laundry right now. I started a load of laundry, so yeah. So let me make breakfast. What I'll be making for dinner today. This is goat. So I'm gonna season it before we go to church. Let it marinate. How do you guys like y'all waffle? Do you like crispy, soft? Me personally, I like mine crispy. Comment down below and let me know how crispy y'all like y'all waffle. Y'all, I fried the egg and didn't put any salt or pepper on it. So I'm gonna make these sausage as well.